leaving your car in a parking area, well, it's not luck. Walking in a slum area or well-known crime-prone area with your jewelries. So, based on the theory, there could be no crime if one of these three elements is not present. So, for example, there is instrumentality. You have the gun. There's opportunity. So you're supposed to be victim is present in the area, but you have no motive. You have no driving force to commit the crime, to commit a killing, di ba? So crime could not be committed without a motive, even though instrumentality and opportunity is present. Another example. So you have the motive. So your motive is to because of poverty, because you're hungry. You wanted to rob in order to support your family. You have the opportunity because based on your observation in the area, so it can be easily done. The robbing can be easily done. But you have no instrument